Gaurav Sonavane, a BE Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering student from Sandip Institute of Engineering and Management. I'm very pleased to share that I received a placement opportunity from Bagla Group, Sambhajinagar. I'm very happy to begin my professional journey with Bagla Group. This achievement was made possible through the guidance, training, and support provided by my institute. I sincerely thank Dr. Sandip Jha for his vision and continuous support in creating a strong academic and industry-oriented environment. I'm very grateful to Principal Dr. Deepak Patil sir for my motivation, guidance, and encouragement throughout my academic journey. I was like to thank HOD Professor Y.R. Isolkar sir for his valuable technical guidance, constant support. Special thanks to my central TPO, Dr. Prasad Kulkarni sir, Professor Amit Mishra sir, for his dedicated efforts in training, placement, guidance, and providing excellent placement opportunities. I am thankful to faculty members and a placement team, Sandip Institute of Engineering and Management, for their support and continuous guidance. Thank you.